Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I am sharing with you all an unboxing and review of a new YSL Toy Loulou bag. It's in a beautiful white cream color. I'm so excited to share with you all and go over what fits inside, ways to wear, the price and the steal I got on this, and give you some of my tips and tricks. But yeah, like I said, if you're new here, I focus mainly on luxury bag reviews and unboxings. There are a few exceptions, but for the most part, I do not pay retail price. And on here, I like to talk about how to find deals and save money on your luxury purchases. So if that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, let's get right in the video and let's get started. Here she is in the beautiful, sleek, black Saint Laurent box. The exact name of this cream white bag is called Crema Soft, and the leather is the Vitello Piumato. So I am not that good at Italian at all. That's just the exact bag specs on the bag. And here she is in the beautiful Saint Laurent dust bag. And here she is. Let me get this foam off. Okay, now you can see the true beauty of this bag. This color is so beautiful. So it's a cream white, like I said. It almost kind of has like a little bit of a gray tone in it. But yeah, it's not a full white. If you compare it next to my blouse, which is also like a cream color, this does look a little bit more gray. So yeah, look at how beautiful she is. And then the hardware is like kind of like an antique brassy gold. So not like the super shiny hardware that I have on my medium Madelaise envelope bag. So a little more muted, and that's nice for making it a little more casual. But yeah, oh my gosh, first impressions, she's so beautiful. The leather is so supple and like soft, and like look at how puffy the leather is. It's so beautiful. And here you see that this one has the matching leather strap, which is one difference between this and the other size of the Loulou bags, which usually have the like gold chain to match the hardware. But this one is the toy, so this is the smallest size that this Loulou comes in. And I also do have the small Loulou in a brown, so I'm definitely gonna do a comparison, show you all in a separate video the differences between those sizes as well. But for this video, I'm just gonna focus on this bag specifically. But yeah, look at how beautiful she is. Beautiful Y logo in the back. I did not notice that at first when I first started seeing these bags, but yeah, this forms the shape of the Y for YSL. So really nice, neat features there. But yeah, that's a nice overall view of the outside. And then here you can see that the strap is removable. So you can wear this one as a clutch easily, which is another thing that is a difference with the small Loulou bag. Here you can see that this is a snap button closure, and there's the Saint Laurent engraved into the hardware right there. So pretty easy snap closure, not much struggle there with that. That's nice. And then we have the two pockets in the middle with that main divider separating them. And oh, this one has a couple card slots on this side as well, which is nice in case you want some extra room for some cards. And then back here, there is a zipper enclosure. Always love that. If you want to put something in there, you don't want to get lost, like some keys or something, just keep those zipped off to the side. So yeah, I love that. I like the layout of the bag. My only complaint is because this bag is pretty small, it's the toy size, that I honestly think that it would have been better off without the center divider, because now it limits more space. Like if you wanted to put something like larger in, you're a little more limited with the divider there. But again, if you like things organized, that's another plus for you. But yeah, personally, I think that I wish they didn't have that in the design. But I do love the card holders. I love that side zipper, so that's awesome. And then here you can see that the strap is adjustable. So there's a lot of adjustability on this, actually. Don't want to take off all the foam yet. But yeah, there's like 7 or 8 adjustable holes, which is awesome. But yeah, this is how it came as the default in like one of the center holes. So when I try it on, I'll kind of show you how it looks when it's at the default like middle setting right there. But yeah, love this. Initial impression, she's beautiful. I am, you know, a little worried about the color just because it is such a light color and it's different from my brown and black YSL bags. So, but again, this is gonna be great for summer and spring and even like honestly year round, just because this is like a more gray and not so bright white. That's more like a winter white almost. So I would say that's a good like winter white color. Let me show you all what fits inside. I will leave the dimensions linked below, but let me show you what all fits inside. I brought a few of my usual things that I put in my bags. First, I have this card holder, which I would like to put back here in this back slot. And that's already taking up quite a lot of room, and this is not a thick card holder at all. But a regular wallet would fit fine too, a smaller wallet, not a continental wallet. Then I just put my keys up here because I have a lot of keys. And then another thing is I have my little pouchy, which I put little like cash and like my lipsticks. I really do not want to dirty the bag. I highly recommend you never put lipsticks in your luxury bags or any bags, and just keep them on the side in case the caps ever open. But yeah, and then I put that in the front here. See, it's like a little bit of a struggle already with rearranging it, but it can work. So I have that side pouch with my keys right there and no issues with that. Just need to like move the keys around to like fit it better just because I have so many keys. But yeah, there's that. And then I guess you can see there's a pretty decent amount of room back here with this card holder. My iPhone Plus fits in here. I can see it with my phone right here on the camera, that fits right here. So with a card holder and wallet, I can fit that, this pouch, these keys. Another thing I like sometimes is to bring a phone charger because I feel like we always need an extra charge throughout the day. And that would be pushing it, but it could work if I put that like there and kind of fold the cords in. But that's like, honestly, overdoing it a little, but it works. You can see the cord sticking out there. You can probably make it work, but yeah, I just want to give you kind of a basic idea of what you could fit in here and all that. So I feel like that should give you a good idea. Hopefully that helped. So yeah, next I'll go into the ways to wear it and all the different ways you can style this bag. So the first way here would be on the shoulder. Again, I have this on that middle adjustable hole length. So this honestly is perfect for me. And again, I am 5'7" for reference. So this lands just exactly like towards the end of my butt right here. So that's perfect. You can see it in the front and on the side. That's how it looks on for me at my height. But again, this is super adjustable. So if you like this length and you're taller or shorter, that kind of gives you an idea of where you need to have it at. And then as a crossbody, this is where it lands for me. So this is right above where my butt starts right here. It's just a little high for a crossbody, so I could probably lower it and bring it down two holes maybe, and then that would land closer to down here. But for where it's at right now, this is how it lands. Really cute. I think it goes with what I have on today because you can see this white's a little darker than what I have on. Again, seems more like a gray white. So there's that. Again, I don't need to take it off, but you guys get the point. These are removable, so you can wear this as a clutch and just take it for a night out, which I think is so cute. It's like pretty good size clutch. Like this is honestly larger than most clutches, so this could be like a really cute statement clutch with like one of your outfits going out at night. I think that's such a cute look. You can play with all the adjustable holes, make it fit what you like. And then also, I don't have one of those chains on me right now, but because this is removable, you could even put this as a waistband. You can put a separate strap on and put this as a fanny pack. I think that'd be so cute because it's small enough that it's not too like crazy. It's also very, very lightweight, so that's another plus. This thing is probably like half a pound in weight, especially because there's no chain and it's a leather strap. This bag weighs a lot less, but if you put a separate fanny pack style like chain on you, this would be so cute. So the fact that this is removable is a huge plus. So that's another way you could wear this bag that the bigger sizes in the Loulou you couldn't be able to do. Those were some of the ways that you could wear it. Hopefully that helps you, give you some ideas if you do have this or you're thinking about it. And then lastly, I want to talk about the price of this bag. As you know, this channel is called Luxe on a Budget, so I'm always trying to find a deal on these luxe bags for you. You know, these deals run really quick, so you won't be able to get the exact same deal that I got, but this just helps you learn what kind of deals are out there and how you can look for them and get those deals as well. So yeah, for this bag, the current retail now after their price increase a couple months ago is $19.90, which is pretty crazy because it used to be, I think, under $1,000 like a couple years ago, and this was supposed to be the affordable bag from YSL. But yeah, now it's close to $2,000 regular retail. If you're on the site, that's what it runs for now. If you were to have gotten it regular retail price back in October before their last price increase, it was only $14.90. So it's pretty big increase since their last price increase. That's like 30-ish%. Since they just had a last price increase, you still have some time. I think that they're not gonna do one too soon. So if you wanna think about it, you still have time. So I got this bag from an Italian website actually called Satire. And that is one of my tricks that I talked about before about purchasing from European websites. Y'all know these brands are European and that their pricing goes for a little less in their home countries. So Satire is based in Europe, and so they had a sale. Even their regular price is always less, but they had a sale on this bag that I jumped on, and it was $1,000. So huge discount. If you think about it, with the new retail now, that's pretty much half off. With the old retail, it was still a huge discount, like $500 off. So the sale price was $1,000. I jumped on it. And then the one thing with the European websites, you always gotta be careful with the import duties because those could rack up. Like some places, they don't tell you what they're charging for import duties, but I love Satire because they do tell you at the end when you check out what's included exactly for duties. So they're already prepaid and you don't have to be surprised by like the DHL when they get here. So exactly for this bag, it was $1,000, and I paid a regular US tax of my city, which was about $70 something. And then the import duties was $90, which was pretty reasonable. That's like about 9%. So, I mean, I'm still out the door. This bag was about $11.60 or so. That's a crazy steal. Even at the old retail, that was a few $100s off. You could not get anything like that in the US on sale. And then at the new retail, that's like almost half off. So definitely a crazy steal. Highly recommend that website. And then my other tip to get a little bit more cash back is to use Rakuten, the cashback website. So Rakuten, you just go on and see what stores you normally shop at, like basic stores like Macy's, Saks, Bloomingdale's, they're all on there. And Satire was on there as well. Sometimes the cashback percentage and offers change throughout time to time, so it could range for just a few percent up to like 16%. I got a lot of cashback during my Black Friday shopping, so that was awesome. For this one, I think it was about 5% when I had bought it, so that was another like $50 back, which is insane. Like, so really out the door, this was about $1,100 or so. So definitely a steal. Highly recommend checking out Rakuten, and I'll leave my referral code below if you want to check that out when you make your next purchase online. And sometimes in-store, you can also activate the in-store cashback offers. So just want to throw that out there in case you all are interested. So that pretty much covers the price of this. And I can try to link some deals below that I can find online at the moment, but you do have to do a little bit of hunting. But if you subscribe to my channel, I hope to be able to share more deals with you all and hope to spread knowledge on how I save money on my luxury purchases and how I'm able to afford amazing luxury deals. So yeah, that pretty much comes to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please also subscribe. That really helps me out. You can also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. I will be sharing a comparison video between this bag and then the next size up, the small size Loulou. I'll be doing a comparison of those two bags. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.